very early. I'm very tired.
Good morning, friends of the vlog. We are stoking this morning. We drove to Wrightsville Beach and we're about to paddle out. And I'm gonna get a shot of conditions, but we're about to throw you guys in the GoPro and hopefully score some nuggies right now. Woo! Nudgies, NUGZZZ, Shroud. We got solid, glassy, all-time thigh-high screamers. You think thigh? Bigger than thigh? Maybe waist, we'll see, we'll see. Amanda's out there, and dude, that thing's probably waist. No, that's thigh. We're looking solid right now. Oh my gosh, that guy looks just like Tim. Good morning. We are stoked. All right, dropping claims. Amanda works at Aussie Island Surf Shop on Wrightsville Beach. It's literally right there, and the beach is right there where we've been surfing this morning. They have a bunch of sick foamy surfboards in there. So I just took a break. We had some acai bowls and about to go back out. The waves like moved further in, they're breaking further in, and they're kind of reeling, dude. So I went and picked out a foamy and we're about to try it out. I've never tried one of these before, but check this daddy out, dude. Are you joking, dude? Dude, this is the call, I think. We're out there. Got the GoPro. We're out there. Oh my gosh, I was getting absolutely destroyed in that short break. I don't know, I hope I got some cool clips. I was just getting freaking wrecked, dude. So we just made it home. I'm about to hop on the edit train. Riley is stoked. Chocolate, dude. But watch it, dude. Second coffee is definitely going down. Also, I leaned forward and water came blasting out of my nose holes. Classic.
Because, check it out.
Would you look at it? Would you look at it? She's looking. Dang, dude. Dang, dude. BB just comes in out of nowhere with the breakfast burrito daddy right here, dude. What the heck, dude? How'd you get like that, man?
He's great.
Are you gonna stretch? Oh, stretchy some clump-chaws. Sing that to the vlog.
They won't like my song.
Let's hear it.
No.
Hit it.
No.
Do it.
Yeah.
Go.
No.
Go.
No, I will not sing for them.
Wow. Vegan brats, dude. Sometimes you just gotta do it. Beyond Me is honestly one of our favorite things. I salivate over brats. Dude, they're so good. So good. We got sriracha, freaking sauerkraut. We got mustard. We got the gluten-free buns. We're stoking. We got ketchup. Holy heck. Not to mention full-fledged waffle fries. So we're sitting it heavy.
Okay, okay, this is it. This is it. Oh my freaking. Okay, it's not possible.
Here, switch.
It's not possible. You're gonna make it.
I really don't know. Wow, that was nothing. I like sucked in air.
That's because I loosened it up for you.
That's what they all freaking say, dude. Sauerkraut, dude.
Sriracha, sauerkraut.
Hell yeah. Woo! A little cake. You want more sauerkraut on top?
Kraut.
Came out here to skate the ramp and do something new on it, and I got something new right now. On the extendo, dude. Check it out. Big disaster, yo. Oh. Oh, got a little closer. Yeah. Oh my God, dude! Oh shit, dude! Oh my Oh my God. No, don't stop. Whoa! Holy cow. Oh, what? Dude!
Oh my God!
What
Why?
do you have to say for yourself?
Why can't you do it? What?
Yeah! Good morning, friends of the vlog, dude. We got Duncan. It's actually like 1:39. It's midday right now. And I woke up at 5:45 going to work. I was gonna surf before work. I work at NUGZZZ on the beach doing surf lessons, and it turns out that the waves were too much, too gnarly for us to teach on. And we got the day off, so Nick and I, what you guys know from the vlog, we scored waves all morning. It was epic. And I'm surfed out. I did like 5 hours yesterday. We did a solid 3 hours, something like that this morning. And feeling it. Feeling tight, so I'm stretching. As you guys saw, I learned a new skateboard trick last night, and I'm feeling so stoked about it. I think it completely changed my day, honestly, because that is a trick I've always wanted to be able to do for years, and blunt to fakie is a really hard trick, and I never knew when I would be able to do it, and finally, I can do it. I did 4 in a row, so I'm good. We had sold 3 of our tie-dye t-shirts already, so there are 2 more large tie-dye tees up for grabs. If you guys saw on Instagram, we are making some new sick coffee mugs. I can't wait to just have one for myself. I just want one so bad. So definitely be on the lookout for those. They're gonna be epic. Coffee's a huge part of my life, a huge part of the vlog, and it makes you feel a certain way. And I feel like a Living Without Walls coffee mug is unbeatable. Your plungest dude. All right, about to sign off on this vlog, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and or subscribe to the channel. The channel is growing slowly but surely, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So thank you guys for everything. This weekend we're headed to the Pisgah National Forest to camp in some cooler weather. Super stoked about that. So we'll see you guys then. You.